What does God want from us?
To answer that question, I have to use a very tricky analogy. So first of all, understand that no connection whatsoever can be established between creation and the Creator. Keep that in mind while I answer the question. What does a mother want from her children? Almost exactly the same is what God wants from humanity. A mother wants her children to behave themselves. A mother wants her children to be good people. A mother wants her children to be healthy. Most mothers would not want their children to be quarrelsome. A mother would want her children to be grateful. She would want her children to be obedient because they are not aware of the dangers. So she can't explain every situation to them. They need to be obedient before she needs them to be understanding. God is more like a mother than he is like a father. Now that word is used less because the analogy does not suit him very well. But in human relationships, the most closely resembling relationship with God is of a child and God being like a mother. Now, because most religions, after when their prophets left the planet, got into the hands of men, so they projected themselves on God as being a manly configuration. But actually, God is extremely loving and extremely kind and extremely nurturing and extremely caring, like a mother. His anger is not to punish, but to correct, just like a mother. So he's going to come for his people at the end of this cycle, again like a mother. The day of resurrection, when he's going to come, he's going to fix your disputes with each other. He's going to be just. And after he's finished being just, then he's going to be kind. And he will open the doors of heavens for his people. So he is only used out of respect for him. Otherwise, you cannot attribute any gender to God. Gender is below him. There is no superiority in gender. So, use this analogy to understand the heart of God is like a mother's heart.